How to change the battery on a MacBook Air in 1 minute. The clock is ticking. Let's go. Take out your new battery. Take your screwdrivers and remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Put them aside. Remove the back plate. Unscrew the 5 screws from the battery. Remove the power connector and take the old battery out. This is the new battery. Clean it if you want to. Put the new battery inside. Plug the power connector back in. Now do the first steps again, but turning the screwdriver backwards. It's so easy, anyone can do it. After assembling it, you're gonna want to test your MacBook. If you see the Apple logo, congratulations, you won. Don't forget to subscribe.